Hello students, how are you all doing? Stay home, stay safe. So in the previous session, we have seen about the properties of the rational numbers. So now we are going to discuss about how to represent the rational numbers on a number line and how to compare the rational numbers. See first problem, find which rational number is greater. See here two numbers are given. See the first number minus 5 by 4 and minus 11 by minus 7. So in this we are going to say which is greater. So first you take the first number 5 by minus 4 and the second number minus 11 by minus 7. So in this number, see we can cancel this negative sign which becomes positive 11 by 7, and the first number is minus 5 by 4 which is a negative number. Always the positive number is greater. So straight away we can say just 11 by 7 it is positive, hence it is greater than minus 5 by 4. See here in the second problem minus 10 by 3 and minus 14 by 5 both are negative numbers, is it not? So to check or to say which is greater, we have to make first the denominator equal. So how to make the denominators equal? See what is the LCM for 3 and 5? For 3 and 5 the LCM is 15. See here minus 10 by 3, make the denominator as 15. So it is multiplied by 5. Therefore the numerator also gets multiplied by 5. Therefore it is minus 50. Minus 10 into 5, it is minus 50 by 15. And the next number minus 14 by 5. So make the denominator as 15. So multiply it by 3. So 5 into 3 which is 15, minus 14 into 3 it is minus 42. So now see which is greater, minus 50 or minus 42, which is greater? You all know minus 42 is greater than minus 50. Therefore which is the greater number? Minus 42 by 15 is greater than minus 50 by 15. Okay. See if it is a positive and a negative number, no need all these steps, just we can say a positive number is greater than a negative number. But when two negative rational numbers are given, make the denominator equal and then compare the numerator and say which is greater. Look at the next problem. Write the following rational numbers in descending and ascending order. So what is ascending order? So we are arranging the numbers from smaller to the bigger number. And what is descending? From bigger number to the smaller number. So now in this 5 rational numbers are given and we are asked to arrange them in both ascending and descending order. So now first take the first rational number minus 3 by 5. So the very first step is make the denominators equal. See here all the rational numbers they have different denominators. First step is make all the denominators equal. So you have to take the LCM for 5, 10, 20, 30 and 15. So what is the LCM? And 15. See here 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So what is the LCM? 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 into 2 60. So the LCM is 60. Now the next step is you have to make all the denominators to be 60. So first take the first rational number minus 3 by 5. So to make this 5 as 60, multiply it by 12. So minus 3 into 12, which is minus 36, 5 into 12 is 60. So our first value is minus 36 by 60. The next problem, 7 by minus 10. So make this minus 10 to be 60. So multiply it by 6. So 7 also gets multiplied by 6. 7 into 6, which is 42. So minus 42 by 60. And here the next number, the denominator is 20. So multiply it by 3. So minus 15 into 3, which is minus 45. The next number, minus 14 by 30. So multiply it by 2. So 30 into 2, 60. Minus 14 into 2, minus 28. And minus 8 by 15. So 15 into 4 is 60. Therefore, minus 8 into 4, minus 32. So now, look at all these numbers which have the same denominator. Now compare the numerator values. Okay, now arrange it in the descending order, that is from bigger number to the smaller number. See here, which is greater? The first greater number is minus 28, is it not? So what is the respective number given? Minus 14 by 30. So write minus 14 by 30 first. What is the next greater number? Which is minus 32. So this is the first, second, next, third value, fourth greater value, and the fifth greater value. So write it accordingly. What is the first value? Minus 14 by 30. The second value, minus 8 by 15. The third value, minus 3 by 5. And the fourth value is minus 7 by 10. And the fifth value is minus 15 by 20. So the ascending order is nothing but the reverse of the descending order. So you can write it in the reverse order to get the ratio numbers in the ascending order. Okay, so in ascending order we have to write first minus 15 by 20, minus 7 by 10, minus 3 by 5, minus 8 by 15, and minus 14 by 30. So now the second subdivision. So in this also we are going to arrange it in ascending and descending order. See, look at the 5 rational numbers given. Minus 17 by 10, minus 7 by 5, 0, minus 2 by 4, and minus 19 by 20. So now, so in this there is a value 0. So other than 0, take all the 4 numbers and make the denominator equal. So that is, we are going to find out the LCM for 10, 5, 4 and 20. See, the LCM is 20. So now the next step is make the denominators to be equal to 20. So minus 17 by 10, this 10 should be multiplied by 2 to make it as 20. So minus 17 into 2 is minus 34. The next value minus 7 by 5. So this 5 should be multiplied by 4. Therefore, minus 7 into 4, which is minus 28, and minus 2 by 4, this 4 should be multiplied by 5 to make it as 20. So, minus 2 into 5, minus 10 by 20. Here already we have 20, so just multiply it by 1. So, minus 19 into 1, minus 19 by 20. So, now we have the rational numbers which have the same denominator, and we can compare the numbers now. See, in this, which is the greatest value? Always 0 is greater than the negative number, is it not? So first, in the descending order, the first value is 0. And then what is the next greater value? Which is minus 10. So the respective value is minus 2 by 4. And which is the third value? Minus 19 by 20. Fourth value minus 28 by 20, and the fifth value is minus 34 by 20. So you have to arrange it from bigger value to the smaller value to get the descending order, and the reverse of this descending order gives the ascending order. Hope you all understand. So if any doubt, you can message me. The next, we are going to find out the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Okay. Here, the two given rational numbers are minus 7 by 11 and minus 5 by 9. See, between these two rational numbers, we are going to find out 6 other rational numbers. So, the first step is, we have to make the denominator equal. So, for 11 and 9, the LCM is 99. So, minus 7 by 11, it can be written as minus 63 by 99. So, to make this 11 as 99, it is multiplied by 9. So, minus 7 into 9, which is minus 63 by 99. The next value is minus 5 by 9. So, to make this 9 as 99, multiply it by 11. Multiply it by 11. So, minus 5 into 11 minus 55 and 9 into 11 it is 99. See here, the denominators are equal. Now look at the numerator value minus 63 and minus 55. Now we can write the rational numbers between minus 55 by 99 and minus 63 by 99. So what are the numbers? Minus 62 by 99. See, we can write any numbers, any 6 numbers in between minus 63 and minus 55. So, we can write minus 62 by 99, minus 60 by 99, minus 59 by 99. Any 6 numbers you can write. Okay. So, the first step to find out the rational number between any two rational numbers is make the denominators equal and then take the numerator alone and write the values in between those numbers. Next, list 5 rational numbers between 2 and 0. See, list 5 rational numbers between 2 and 0. See, the number what they have given is 2 and 0. So, first write this 2 in the rational form, we can write it as 2 by 1 and 0. Okay, now the first sum is minus 2 and 0. So, minus 2 by 1. See here, minus 2 and 0, minus 2 by 1 and 0 by 1. See, now I am going to make the denominator equal, say 10, okay. I am going to make the denominator equal, just say 10. So, for this I am multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 10. It becomes minus 2 into 10 minus 20 by 10 and 0 into 10 it is 0 by 10. So, now take the numerator values minus 20 and 0. Minus 20 and 0. So, in between these two values, there are so many values, we can list out any 5 rational number. For example, I can take minus 19 by 10, minus 17 by 10, minus 15 by 10, minus 12 by 10 and minus 11 by 10. So, any 5 values you can list out. So, can you all understand? So, the step is write this minus 2 and 0 in the rational number and then make the denominator same and take the numerator values and find out the numbers in between. So, these are all of the same model, 1 by 2 and 3 by 5, these are the two rational numbers. So, first make the denominator equal and then take the numerator values alone. Take the numerator minus 5 and 6. So, in between 5 and 6, we can write many number. So, write any 5 values. See, I can write minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 5 by 10 and so on. So, any 5 values we can write. So, go through the problem. And if you have any doubt, you can message me on the WhatsApp group. Some homework will be given. Try to finish it. Thank you.